After the purchase order has been receipted, we then need to register the supplier's invoice and verify that the purchase order and invoices validate against one another. We access Purchasing, Invoices, Invoice Control. We select an entry transaction. We then click on New on the right-hand side. We then select the invoice type. We select the supplier. Then we select the receipt to bring through the order lines. The receipt lines will pull through. We double check the values that come through. We make sure on the Management tab that the supplier document number or the supplier's invoice number has been captured. When we scroll down the Management tab, we will then enter the value of the supplier's invoice. You'll notice when you capture the value, the invoice status says to validate. If the invoice value is not the same as the purchase order, the invoice status is suspended. Once we've captured the value, we then click on the Control tab. We can then see if there are any variances between the invoice and the purchase order. In this example, there is no variance. We can click on the costing, ensure that all the fields are captured. We then click on Create. A notification at the top of the screen will indicate that the record has been created. When we're done with this, we need to post in order for this transaction to post to the GL. So we click on Post. Note that you will not be able to make changes after we click OK. A log reading will appear. It will indicate that one expense has been generated, and this is for our next step when we capitalize the asset from an expense. It will also indicate the document generated in the system.